Gujarat Fortune Giants. I just think Gujarat have the edge in this contest because of that defensive might. The surprise element is there. Now a do-or-die raid and a bit of pressure for Prapanjan. Has to get a point.
Yeah, he knows he's surrounded by wilderness and danger, but he's no stranger to such battles. There, they are teasing him, enticing him, gets the running hand touch on the left cover.
To just edge ahead. Their captain is on the bench, and that's why Pawan Kumar just slips up, sadly loses his footing, and into the open arms of the captain of Gujarat, Sunil Kumar. Yeah, he's looked for the bonus, and I don't think he got it. He definitely stepped on the black line. So Sumit has to look for more here. It's a big raid, do-or-die raid, and he's under pressure because under 10 seconds to go, Parvesh Bainswal says, thank you very much, my first tackle point of the night. Coming out of the league phase, and they are giving us a great encounter so far. Prapanjan may have actually stepped into the lobbies there. I'd like to take another look at this before he got the touch.
Has been tackled once. Now there, his running hand touch on the right corner is one of his favourite tools.
Now he's done in though, Sachin Vittala with a glorious back hold.
Sumit, can he prove to be an all-rounder here? Prapanjan, the last time around when he came, he actually has cleaned the Bengaluru Bulls. And that is a mighty, mighty moment in this match. 4-point raid, 2 for the 2 touches. And in a defense of 5, I mean, he did not score a point when the bonus was available for him. That is what the story has been. Last 5 raids, not even a single point. And not even a single point yet. Because that defense is mighty and ruthless. Authoritative too. Both ends actually have been a great amount of assists coming in. Now there, tentative, half-hearted blow is reported on the bench.
Amit Shorin needs to put in.
Devo Pro Kabaddi found by thumbs up chance. This is the finale. Just, as I said, Bulls were in the lead. They are not.
You need to just calm down. I know it's been an adrenaline packed.
घन 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 घाव कर देगा तुझे